Hello, welcome to Saima Shalini. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, but you know the first thing that came into my mind when I saw you was like Preeti, Preeti. You saw that episode in Karan Johar's Coffee with Karan?
I saw
Shahid.
this. I didn't see the film. I didn't see the episode.
So that's the first thing that came to my mind when I saw you. You're looking adorable. You're glowing. What is the secret?
Thank you. Good sleep. A lot of sleep. I've been sleeping a lot.
Okay, that's nice. So, is there something you would want to share with the audience that they can look forward to in the coming years, in terms of your performances or what new projects that you've taken up?
So just my film got released, Jayesh Bhai Zordar, and I hope people go watch it. It's now on OTT, and I hope people watch it even more because it deserves that love that it's coming. And I'm doing another film that is still with Yash Raj, and it's going to release either this year or next year.
So you have some big banners in the line, yeah?
Yeah, I hope people love me for that.
They love you. We all love you.
Thank you.
Preeti, you're really adorable, very cute, and I wish you all the best going forward. And we would definitely like to see Preeti perform in Saima in the coming years. And
I would love that.
what would that be?
What would that be, as in?
I mean, would you be dancing or do you want to?
I want to dance. I love dancing and I love South music because I keep hearing a lot of Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam and know them by heart. So I want to dance on them.
So, Saima, are you listening? We have Preeti, who's interested in performing in the coming year. So, let's wish her all the best and let's hope to see you very soon, okay?
Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.
So, hi, Teja. Welcome to Saima.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, we know that, you're nominated this year. And how excited are you about it?
Definitely, it's not only 10 years for Saima, but my first nomination in Saima, and we have three other categories also nominated for our film. So I'm excitedly looking forward for the event. Yeah.
Do we have any exciting news to hear in the near future from you?
Of course, my next film, Hanuman, it's a pan-Indian film, superhero film. So we're going to announce the release date in a couple of weeks. Yeah,
Okay. And are we ever going to get to see you perform in Saima?
definitely. If I get a chance next year, probably. Yeah,
And what would that be?
dance probably.
Yeah?
But I'm actually good at comparing thing also, so I can do that as well. Yeah.
Definitely. Okay, so if you had to pick an actor and actress from your industry who you would like to perform with in Saima in the coming years, who would that be?
Oh God, then it should be Chiranjeevi Garu. That's only my yeah.
Oh, he's hit it high.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
And female?
female. Probably Samantha Garu.
Very nice. I like how you added Garu to it. Okay, anybody from your generation?
My generation, I everybody. We are
I'm
all,
just trying to make it a little more candid here.
yeah. We are all friends. I heard that Sidhu is performing on stage today. I'm looking forward to it, and I would be happy if I do something with Sidhu, collaborate and do with something with Rana Anna. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Let's hope all of them, work with you very soon and your dreams do come true and wish you all the best. Thank you.